But first, the fate of the Oxford school shooter's father now in the hands of a jury. Thank you for joining us today at 5. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Brian Abel. The jury will have to decide if the father of the shooter was grossly negligent in several ways, including failing to take his son home after meeting with school officials about his son's disturbing drawings.
In closing arguments, prosecutors urging the jury to convict the father, claiming he could have prevented the tragedy. The defense arguing the father was not aware that his son knew where the gun used in the shooting was stored at home.
Before we get to the latest, we want to take a moment to remember the 4 teens who lost their lives on that tragic day. Tate Meir, Madison Baldwin, Hannah St. Juliana, and Justin Schilling.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has been following the trial, joins us live outside the courthouse in Pontiac.
And Kim, there was one person the jury probably wanted to hear from today, but didn't.
Absolutely, Brian. I'm sure they wanted to hear from James Crumbley himself, but clearly he and his attorney thought the risk did not outweigh the benefit.
We know that James Crumbley went home and looked for a gun when he heard there was an active shooter. And we know he referenced there was that meeting at the school. That's foreseeability, and that's a person who suspects their own son.
In her closing arguments, Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald telling jurors that had James Crumbley gone home after meeting with school officials the morning of the shooting to look for the guns or simply lock them up, he could have saved the lives of Hannah, Madison, Tate, and Justin.
There were 1,800 students in Oxford High School. There was one parent who suspected their son was the school shooter, and it was James Crumbley. You know what that's called? It's called foreseeability.
James Crumbley had no idea what his son was capable of. He had no idea what his son was planning, and he had absolutely no idea that his son had access to those firearms.
Crumbley's defense attorney Marielle Lehman says the father of the Oxford shooting did take his son to the gun range on a number of occasions, but had no idea what the teen was plotting.
And your vote will be not guilty. And your vote should be not guilty. Not just because you have reasonable doubts, but because James Crumbley is not guilty. We talked about the benefits of you testifying.
That is correct.
We talked about the risks of you testifying.
That is correct.
Earlier today, without the jury in the courtroom, James Crumbley told the court that he would not be testifying in his own defense.
Your decision to testify, or is your decision to remain silent?
It is my decision to remain silent.
The only witness for the defense was James Crumbley's sister from Florida, testifying that on the 2 occasions she saw her nephew in 2021 and conversations with her brother, she never sensed his son was troubled.
Do you recall having conversations with your brother where he expressed anything concerning to you about his son?
No.
But Assistant Prosecutor Mark Keese used phone records to show Karen Crumbley really didn't communicate with her brother enough to really know what was going on in their lives.
On the phone log, there's only 3 actual phone calls between you and your brother in 2021.
Okay.
Does that sound right to you?
Yeah, I guess.
And the jury only deliberated for about an hour today. They'll be back at it tomorrow morning at 8:30. Reporting live in Pontiac, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
All right, Kim, thank you. Thank you for updating us there.